Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a sticker in a chat on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. Stickers are a fun way to express yourself and make your conversations more lively. So, let's get started with the simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account so you have access to your chats and contacts. Next, open the chat where you want to send a sticker. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation. Now, look for the emojis icon inside the chat window. It's usually represented by a smiley face. Click on this emoji icon to open the emoji panel. Once there, you'll see several tabs at the bottom or top of this panel. Click on the sticker icon to switch to your sticker collection. You'll now have access to all your saved stickers, as well as any sticker packs you've downloaded. Browse through the stickers and find the one you want to send. When you see the sticker you'd like to share, simply click on it. After clicking the sticker, it will appear in your message input area. To send it, just click on it again, and the sticker will be sent directly to the chat. It's that easy. Using stickers in Telegram is a quick and fun way to add emotion and personality to your messages. Plus, with the new update on PC, accessing and sending stickers is smoother than ever. Thank you for watching this guide. Now you can easily brighten up your Telegram chats on your PC by sending stickers with just a few clicks. Enjoy communicating with a little extra flair.